Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to take a look at intervals of increasing or decreasing for a function. When we have an open interval that contains 2 points, x1 and x2, we say that the function f is increasing if f of x1 is less than f of x2 whenever x1 is less than x2. In other words, if we think about the graph, this graph is moving up to the right. A decreasing function means that its function value is greater for the first value than it is for the second, means that it's going down. So this one's going down to the right. And finally, a function's constant if it stays equal in that interval. That is horizontal in that interval. So looking at the graph, we need to find intervals where the function's increasing, decreasing, and constant. Let's begin with increasing. So where is it moving up to the right? Well, it's moving upward to the right from this point at the bottom of this parabola-looking shape to this point where the horizontal line begins. And then it's also going up to the right from the end of the horizontal line to the right. So the areas that I'm interested in, let me just shade these in a little bit more, is this part of the curve and this part of the curve. What are the x values in those intervals? Well, let's see, the first one starts at 1 and it goes through 4. And then we use the union symbol, and the next one starts at 7 and goes to infinity. Those are the intervals where the function is increasing. Decreasing down to the right is this piece here. And that's the only place where it's going down to the right. For decreasing, that goes from negative infinity all the way over to 1. Finally, constant, that's where it's horizontal here, and that goes from 4 to 7. So when we're looking for, and where is the function increasing, we're looking for the interval where it's rising to the right. Decreasing is where it's going down to the right. Constant is where it's staying the same, constant, as we move to the right.